Guys, today we are seeing swapping of two number program. For that I will create file swap swap.c. Enter. This new file will be created. Now we will write our C program over here. Header file hash include hash include stdio.h, then int main, then I will write main function, then parenthesis, then opening and closing curly braces, and then I will write return 0, and don't forget to semicolon after 0, and here we will write int a is equal to 100 semicolon. Here int is a data type, a is a variable, and this variable store 100 value. Like that I will create one more int b is equal to 200 and semicolon, and we can take int and temp, so and that semicolon. So we will print this value before swap actually. So for that we will use printf function, printf, then opening closing parenthesis, then we will write in double quote we will write before swap swap, and a is equal to percentage d. Percentage d is for format specifier for integer, then comma, then b is equal to percentage d. Again this is also in integer. For that we will write percentage d, and then backslash n for new line character, then we will give semicolon and a comma b, and at the end of line we will write semicolon. Most of the programmer don't write semicolon, and the compiler show the error to them. So let's run this program. Let's see what happens. So I will simply run this program. Output is coming. Before swap, a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 200. This output is showing. Now we are going to store value of a in temp variable and value of b in a variable, and at last we will store value of temp in b variable. Okay, so here we will write comment logic of swap, and then here we will write temp is equal to a semicolon, and now we will write a is equal to b semicolon, and after that I will write b is equal to temp and semicolon. Oh sorry, my bad. B is equal to temp. So here we will storing value of a in temp variable, and here we are storing value of b in a variable. Now the this value is stored in this. Now we are doing this value store in this. So after here I will write printf opening closing parenthesis and double quote I will write after swap, and a is equal to percentage d. Again this is also format specifier for integers, comma, b is equal to percentage d. This is format specifier for integer. Then backslash n for new line character. Then I will put semicolon and a comma b. So we are forget semicolon over here. I will write semicolon and I will run this program. So let's see the output of this program. So we have run this program successfully. Here you can see before swap a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 200, and after swap a is equal to 200 and b is equal to 100. Okay guys, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.